In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Mailerlite in 2025 step by step. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for everything we'll do in this tutorial. Once you're inside, look for your profile or account menu, usually located in the top area of the screen. Click that menu and then choose Account Settings. After that, head into Plan and Billing. This section shows your current subscription, billing details, and the options available for changing your plan. If you're reviewing your account before upgrading, this is a good place to confirm what plan you're currently on. Next, click Upgrade, or in some account layouts you may see Upgrade or Downgrade. If you're currently using the free plan, you may also find an Upgrade button directly from the account menu. Mailerlite's interface can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Open the plan selection screen. Now it's time to choose your plan. Mailerlite's current paid plan options are Comfort and Power. Take a moment to select the one that best fits your business needs. As you do this, it helps to think about the features you need now, as well as what you may need as your audience grows. Once your plan is selected, choose your subscriber limit from the drop-down menu. This determines your pricing, so review it carefully before moving on. It's a good idea to choose a level that fits your current list size while leaving a little room for growth if needed. After that, choose whether you want monthly or annual billing. If you prefer lower upfront commitment, monthly billing may be the better choice. If you want to save money over time, annual billing currently offers a 10% discount compared with monthly billing. Before you pay, review your order carefully. Double-check the selected plan, the subscriber limit, the billing frequency, and the total price. This is the best time to catch anything that needs to be adjusted. Next, enter your payment details. Depending on what's available in your region or account, you may be able to pay with a credit card, debit card, or PayPal.